Haga kan real terek unai lor arjab san umitri rang badu ke jelami khaliau konrat ke sangma harenka da ke jingadon lang u Dr. Kiki Nong Sit, Principal Sngap Syiem College, Dr. Belinda Marwin, ki wede ki noi kai jong ke Sngap Syiem College mau kurwan ulayo pan Pyllait paidbah no ya ke bas na ke benta pan kit ik samla pule lingba ke CMCD scheme arjab san ke bakat sab hulak tingka pada ka jo kapor ulayo ruban Pyllait ki sau teli ki kot ling kedam kawei kedai shaphang kemeningkong ke history Sngap Syiem jong ka hima maharam usnem kat nyospa nyopo hadu kat praspa sopopra balatho da ka Dr. Belinda Marwin kabaar kabam kedi tenrai umaram kemenor bat keminta balatho du Dr. Kiki Nong Sit bat Shri R Turnia bat ka kong M Karlingdo kabalai ka ethnobiological study of Khasi women, traditional attire in Meghalaya, balatho daka Shimiti Patricia Lingkhoi, kabasau, kamaryang bat kitway perkat ukasi, balatho daka Khasi department Sngap Syiem College mau kerwat, bat kania kadai kasien meningkong baka Sngap Syiem College, kelala pan penmi hadu sau tali kikot. Menteri rang badu ke jela ulai ke jingiro yo principal ke Sngap Syiem College bat ki noi hikai bagi jupen kan mau ya shibun ki jingnon kam jong ke Sngap Syiem College mau kerwan lamar badai tang kani hi ke wei ke slempuli ke badan kam tam hapo ke district kum juru ulai ke jingiro ki noi hikai baki lala ban penmi ki kot puli ban tip ya ki jinglong tenrai ukasi bat ya ki jinglong jingman bat yaki khana shaphang Sngap Syiem Syiem ke hima mahram ublayele persha panyo senshar latlut naki wei ki jat ben riu dole nakaliang menteri rangba ulo ongru bangala donru ke jingtmu man pai ki star wat punya shadu shatibet blatip kum ki jat ben riu man khmer kumju sha Cambodia bat ki wei dia ki jaka panwar penya susu ya ketenrai jong ke jinghyar pateng ki jat ben riu khasi ki ba em hakani ke jela Meghalaya ya kani ke jing Pyllait paidbah ya ki sau teli ki kot bat ya ke school bus la pelong ha ying sa jong menteri rangba hanong ba shilong
that I get from your principal, I end up doing more for your college compared to other colleges. So it is your efforts, I must make that public. So I really would like to thank you for that. And also, as I said, I have a very strong connection with all of you. Obviously from education point of view also and from political point of view also. We share the same ideologies and thoughts. And therefore, I'm very happy to be associated with the college. And I'm so happy that the bus also has finally arrived and will be releasing the bus today. So I really congratulate you for that. I also would like to congratulate you for the books that have been released today. You know, as you're aware, I have been pushing this at all the levels myself. In fact, it was earlier with the former CEM that I had discussed this, and I said that, you know, KHDC, GHDC, JHDC all should do research, because that is the mandate as per the constitution also. And if you don't promote research, then you are not going as per the mandate that you're supposed to do as the district councils. And therefore, I'm very happy. You know that I'm also promoting research at my level also. I've got the Chief Minister's Research Grant, where 50 scholars are supported every year. I can inform you that we'll be in fact increasing that number to 75 from this year onwards. And I hope to touch about 100 scholars by next year. And that's also really helping us a lot. So we are very much into documenting, researching the different aspects of our communities and our tribes that we have in the state of Meghalaya. So I really take this opportunity to congratulate all our researchers who have documented these very, very important aspects of the Khasi culture and the history, including the freedom fighters who had fought the British in the early days. And really, this is something I'm sure will be of huge benefit to the public and the society at large. I also want to share with you that I am very soon working on a team, and I'll discuss with Principal Sir also that we are very keen to do a more detailed research on the roots of our tribes. So whether it's the Mon Khmer, research or the Indo-Tibetan, ethnicity research. So we plan to put up 2-3 teams, and I plan to send them to different places in Cambodia, in Laos area, where the Mon Khmer population and everything is there, and tie up with research organizations there to study the roots of the Khasi Jaintia community. Similarly, we're doing the same for the Indo-Tibetan, so we're sending a group to Tibet. So I'll be finalizing that group very soon. So I'll look for members, in fact, to be part of that research. So Dr. Rubin is preparing the outline of that. So I'm sure that we will try to make the group as diversified as possible, and we'll try to take people into this, because this group will go, be in touch with them. This is maybe a year or 2 years of research work that will happen. So we want to put up a very strong team. So after seeing this research that you're doing, I am also very inclined to, tie up with your college and have at least 1 or 2 research scholars to be part of that particular